property of Eunice. Do not come in. Right there in the entrance. Do not come in. Oh. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. I don't know what it means, but they love us because there's no tomorrow. You can't see it with this camera. Oh yeah, with this camera. No tomorrow. No tomorrow. I'm a dork. We own this, you don't. Oh, see, that's a perfect way to have you in the video because my bun covers your face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's funny.
Let's go. We're drinking alcohol here. Yeah.
I thought it was a juice box.
So let's eat.
I don't know anything about alcohol. Except for the margaritas I had yesterday. Got home and fell asleep yesterday. It's okay though.
Can you get like Disney or anything?
No, I only had one margarita. It was called Chimucha.
That's sweet.
Yeah, it was right there at the. And I'm all like, okay, that's my kind of talk right there. Ooh, shit.
But you should get
It should be. My partner in crime right there. My partner in crime is behind me. Where is he? Okay. I did it in the sun because it like highlights all the imperfections, you know. We're going back down. Actually, where those kids were running, and I like this rock. That hole. I'm gonna name him Alfie. That's us right there. Our shadows are so long.